What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another tech video. Actually, the video of today is all about the Nokia 8110 4G. Now, first of all, I saw this phone and I was comparing it with Banana. Am I not the only one who's comparing this phone with Banana, or is just that even Nokia do that? Okay, actually this phone is back in the days. You all know that Nokia had great kind of smartphone range in the early 2000 up to 2011, I can say. They were doing something which is so great in terms of their own kind of industry of smartphones, but right now they're killing it with their own kind of redesign. I can call it the redesign, and KaiOS is doing a great job powering these kind of devices. Now what I have today for you guys, it's Nokia 8110 4G. Now let me start breaking down on specification. This kind of device has a 4G. First of all, you stand up with the network name, it's 4G, and you ask yourself, what the heck is wrong with this device? This device is capable of Wi-Fi, it's capable of Bluetooth, and this device has an amazing kind of stuff upon it. Now what makes this device become so unique? It's the battery. 1500 milliampere battery won't break your day, because this kind of device doesn't have like a smartphone the way it works and the smartphone the way it flows, but it gives you the way the smartphone just needs. In terms of application, this I can call it a smartphone actually. This phone has incredible apps. You get a Google Assistant on the go, which is something which I think on my own aspect it's good, because you know, when you talk about smartphone and when you talk about lower mid-range phones, which the budget phone first of all, which can help a daily user conquer his own kind of ability using the phone. Another kind of stuff upon this phone has powered with many different apps. When you talk about different apps, think about Google Map, think about store. This phone has a store. Now you get all the needs of apps, which I thought to my own aspect this is so incredible. And another kind of stuff upon this phone, you get incredible games. You get those kind of classic games of back in the days. You play with the button, you click clack with the button, you get the job done. Another kind of stuff upon this device is a 2 megapixel camera. Now you don't expect something big on this device, because you know that this is a lower mid-range device which doesn't have freaking big specification. It just have some lower range specification which can help your job done. Another kind of stuff upon this kind of device, it's powered by the KaiOS. Now let me break it down. What's KaiOS? KaiOS, it's an operating system which it's like we can compare between Nokia. Back then they were using Symbian. I hope some of you know, but if you don't know, well, sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Definitely actually the Symbian and Android and iOS, these are like operating system which runs upon a certain platform. Now when it comes to KaiOS, they thought that they could just toss it on the low mid-range phones, which can help them get the job done when it comes to apps and stuff like that. So this is so great to my own kind of aspect. I like this. So yeah, that's what's up. So it's you can determine between Symbian, or you can say this is Android, but to my own aspect it runs a little bit of roots of Android. As you know guys, I'm a programmer, so I have to understand the scheme. Yeah. So another kind of stuff upon this device which made me whoa is the way it slides. When you talk about sliding on this device, I slided it several times, many times, and I was like trying, if the slider perhaps doesn't work, what will happen with the phone? Well, definitely the slider helps the phone to get unlocked. Now to my own aspect, this is too dope. Some of the people it's like annoying, but some of the people it's too dope. To my own aspect, I give it thumbs up. So another kind of stuff upon this kind of device which captured me throughout the whole process is the colors. Man, these devices come with black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. You know what it is when Nokia throw out 8110 and 4G. Okay, colors. Now those pop-up colors, they make a device looks very great, and you can tell no different with the device with the Banana, definitely. And another kind of stuff upon this kind of device, it gives you all the ingredients which you need on a daily phone. Now you may use a smartphone like this one, like a normal smartphone, this big smartphone, and it takes a bunch of your time consuming it. But what if you're traveling? You need a portable phone which can get your job done, which won't keep you too much busy, because you'll be getting focused with what you're doing. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video of today, make sure that you hit that thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe, get subscribed. It will be so amazing. And another kind of stuff, yeah, if you don't know me, my name is Abdul Rahim 112. If you're new here, yeah, that's what's up. So catch you guys on the next video. Peace.